to sketch y is equal to 5 plus 2 over x plus 3. So first of all, to recap, so y is equal to 2 over x. The graph will be like this, okay? That's what it is look like. And then when x plus 3, that is 2 over x plus 3, what happened is the vertical asymptote is moved 3 to the left. So this is -3. And then the graph will be like this. And then what happened? You add 5 to it. So this is what that meant. And what happened is the horizontal asymptote is moved 5 units up. So that means the graph will be like this. This is 5 here. And the graph will just go like something like this. Okay, so this is the graph. That's what it looks like. So first of all, we know vertical asymptote is x is equal to -3. And the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 5. Then we can find x and y intercepts now. To find y-intercept, so to find y-intercept, that means when x is 0. So when x is 0, so y is equal to 5 plus 2 over 0 plus 3. This is 2 over 3. So that is y is equal to and 5 over 3. To find x-intercept, that means when y is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, this means that 2 over x plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. So I move 5 on this side. So 2 over x plus 3 is equal to the -5. So -5 is just like 5 over 1. And I do cross multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. Is equal to -5 times x plus 3. So to remove the bracket, this means that 2 is equal to -5 times x is -5x. -5 times 3 is -15. So I move this on the side. So that gives me 17 is equal to -5x. I divide by -5. I divide this by -5. So this cancel out. So x is equal to 5 go to 17 is 3 times, but negative, and then remainder 2. So 2 over 5. So now to sketch this, so we just label all the vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, and x and y intercept. The vertical asymptote is x equal to -3. So I just do a quick dotted line. So this is -3 here. And the horizontal asymptote is when y equals 5. So just here somewhere. So 5 here. I can just sketch it. So this is y-intercept, that is 5 and 2/3. And to sketch this quadrant here, so the graph is something like that. So I just clear this -3 first. So this -3 here. And the x-intercept is -3 and 2/5. So this is y is equal to 5 plus 2 over x plus 3. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first of all, we know that y is equal 1 over x. The graph will be like this. This is 1 over x. If we -1 on the denominator, that is y is equal to 1 over x minus 1, the vertical asymptote is moved 1 to the right unit. So what that means is the vertical asymptote now is at x equal to 1. And your graph will be like this. Just keep that in mind. That's what it is. And then we add 2 to it. So now, if we plus 2, the horizontal asymptote, we move 2 units up. So that means this is the horizontal asymptote. Your graph will be something like this, okay? And it could be go this way. So your graphs should be something like this. But we do need to find x-intercepts and y-intercept first. So to find y-intercepts, so y-intercepts is when x is equal to 0. So that becomes 2 plus 1 over 0 minus 1. So that is equal to 2 minus 1. So the answer is 1. So y-intercept is at 1. And x-intercepts is when y is equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, so we know that 0 is equal to 2 plus 1 over x minus 1. And then we move the 2 on this side, become minus 2 is equal to 1 over x minus 1. And minus 2 is just like minus 2 over 1. Then we can do cross multiply. So that is minus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 1 times 1 is 1. So I remove the brackets, so which is minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 1. I move the 2 on this side, so which is minus 2x is equal to minus 1. So x must be equal to half. So we know the vertical asymptote is x equal to 1. So 1 here somewhere. So I just draw a dotted line for vertical asymptote. So x is equal to 1. Of course, this is x and y axis. And asymptote is y is equal to 2. So it's 2 is here somewhere here. So this is 2. And then y-intercept is 1. So the graph will be something like this. And x-intercept is a half. So we have the label. This is 1. This is a half. And then for the first quadrant, the graph will just go like this. There you go. Y is equal to 2 plus 1 over x minus 1. Thank you so much for watching.